Ahmed Bahaji. Tuanze na baada ya miaka 18 Kenya imerejea tena kwenye mashindano ya dunia ya magari ya Safari Rally. Shirikisho la mchezo huo duniani mapema leo limetangaza kurejea kwa Kenya kwenye mashindano hayo, ambapo imeratibiwa kuandaa makala ya 4 ya mashindano ya dunia Julai 19 mwakani.
I think the reason that so many countries fight to be on this list, to be on this program, is because of the benefits that are derived from participating in the WRC, being part of the WRC calendar. And so we should be happy that we are part of this.
The rally is a big economic driver. That is why countries like Japan, Chile, Argentina, Mexico have been fighting to get included in the WRC calendar. We are talking about big numbers in terms of television viewership, 850 million in 155 countries all over the world. We're talking about 4.5 million people visiting